Hello everyone, it's been a year since VecPix with me has started. In our channel, this is our 100th video. In this video, I want to thank you all who have supported me, subscribed my channel, or even just shared and watched my videos. It means a lot to me, especially your comments, which I get personally or through YouTube comment section. I get really emotional and I will be so happy to receive those comments. And actually, I have to say this here, you people have helped me a lot. Whether you know it or not, I'm always trying to share new things and I push myself to share and learn new things. This is making myself to improve my skill and make my skill too sharp. It's all because of you people, and I'm feeling so positive after starting this channel. And your comments will help me to share more and more knowledge and more contents, good contents in this channel. So please do support me, watch, share and like my content. Thank you.